In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS snippets in Obsidian so you can personalize your Vault's look and feel fast and easy. This works whether you want to tweak fonts, colors, spacing, or even add advanced styling to your notes. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. In the menu, scroll down and select Appearance. Inside Appearance, look for the section called CSS Snippets. This is where you'll manage and activate your custom styles. If it's your first time here, click Open Snippets folder. This will open a folder inside your Vault where all your custom CSS files will live. Now, here's the fun part. Create a new file inside that folder and make sure it ends with .css. For example, you could name it customstyles.css. Open that file in a text editor and type in your CSS code. For example, Markdown Preview View, font size 16px, line height 1.6. Save the file, then head back to Obsidian. In the CSS Snippets section, you'll now see your new file listed. Toggle it on, and your changes apply instantly. You can add as many snippets as you like. Each one can be turned on or off individually, giving you full control without needing to switch themes. If your snippet doesn't show up, make sure the file extension is .css and stored in the correct snippets folder. Restarting Obsidian often fixes caching issues too. And that's it. You've just customized your Obsidian with CSS snippets in under a minute. Thank you for watching this video.